Today, we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy A26, a phone that promises great features at an affordable price. So is it any good? Let's dive in and find out. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy A26 has a clean, modern look. The back is made of plastic, which helps keep the phone light. It has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen that gives you bright, colorful images and looks great when watching videos or browsing. Plus, it comes in a few different colors to fit your style. About that display, it's a Super AMOLED screen, which means you get vibrant colors and deep blacks, perfect for watching videos or playing games. The full HD Plus resolution ensures everything looks sharp, even when you're outside in the sun. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A26 has an Exynos 850 processor, paired with mentioned RAM options. It handles everyday tasks like social media and browsing really well. But if you're into high-performance gaming, you might notice a bit of lag on more demanding games. Still, for the price, it works just fine for most users. Next up, the camera. The A26 has a 48MP main camera and a few other lenses for wide-angle shots and close-ups. In good lighting, the pictures come out nice and clear. The ultra-wide camera is great for big landscapes, and the macro lens is fun for close-up details. Low light performance isn't perfect, but it's decent for a budget phone. And the selfie camera is 13MP, so it works well for photos and video calls. Let's talk about battery life. The Galaxy A26 has a 5000 mAh battery, which means it'll last you all day with normal use. If you're watching videos, browsing, or texting, you'll easily get through the day without charging. The Galaxy A26 runs One UI, which is Samsung's interface on top of Android. It's easy to use, and there are cool features like Samsung Pay for making payments and Samsung Knox for extra security. It also supports Samsung DeX, which lets you use your phone like a desktop if you connect it to a monitor. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A26 is a great option if you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with solid features. The display looks amazing, the battery lasts all day, and the camera is good for most situations. It's a great phone if you want something reliable without spending too much. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think the A26 is a good deal, or are you looking for something else? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.